I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh.
What's going on, everybody? So, let's see. With the last video, I was getting this bike inspected and showed it off a little bit. Past couple days, I went and got it titled, registered, tagged, everything in my name. So we're all up to date with that. It's a big weight off my chest. It's been a while since I've had a bike registered and titled, tagged in my name. See, it's actually probably been close to 4 years. All my other stunt bikes just never got around to put them in my name. But this one is now. I'm excited. I've been working with the settings on my GoPro to try and get a better quality, and it was a pet peeve of mine that I was getting that box video instead of the rectangle shape. I didn't realize that it was just clicking the setting, putting it from 4:3 ratio to 16:9. So I have it in 16:9 now, and I'm shooting in 2.7K instead of the 1080p. So hopefully we can get a little bit of better resolution in these videos and have that nice rectangle video instead of just a box with black lines on the sides. Let's see. Heading up to DFW for a nice lot session tomorrow. This hurricane or tropical storm is off the coast right now. There's a chance we might get a little bit of rain. I'm hoping it all holds off. I can do a little bit of rain, but you know, anything else is just kind of put a damper on the day. It's raining. I've been looking for a spot that I can go and ride a lot around here and get permission so I don't have any issues. Nothing's really come up yet. I'll just continue to ride in that cul-de-sac that I've shot my other videos at. It's businesses down there, so weekends are closed after 6. Seems like I'm free to go there. Along with every time I see someone pulling into one of the buildings, I go over and talk to them. Everybody's been super awesome. I've had an older couple stop with their grandson who was excited, and they were watching. They were hanging out for a little bit. So it's all good fun. I'm just trying to make it to where I have permission and just less I have to worry about. I had a phone that I have for sale, so I'm meeting someone to hopefully sell that right now. And I'm gonna grab me an energy drink while I'm here, so I'll get right back to y'all. Made a couple bucks. Heading out. A little windy. By a little, it's really windy. Got $100 in my pocket. I'm afraid it's gonna fall out. Oh, my hair's stuck in my backpack. Damn it. Alright, I need to get my hair out of my backpack. Ah! My hair.
Idle hands lead to evil thoughts. That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up. Ain't gonna get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up. Cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh, oh, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh,
alright.
don't you That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up. Motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options. Damn, I got them options. 50 million, 100 million, living like a boss shit. It's me in the crowd, smoking loud up in the mosh pit, screaming obnoxious till I'm fucking nauseous. I'll be going crazy till I'm motherfucking dead. I got angels on my shoulders with the devil in my head. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where I've been. Find me in the future where my money never ends. Oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No. All I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
It's raining.
My idle hands lead to evil thoughts. That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up. Motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't.
Alright, one more try, and then I'm going in or else my phone's gonna break, if it's not already broken.
And I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
Alright, it's pretty damn cold and I'm wet as shit. On that note, I'm gonna call it a day. Tomorrow heading up to DFW, super excited. Get these circles down a little more. Until next time, I almost just low-sided because it's slippery as shit. I'll talk to y'all later. Love you so much. Subscribe, do whatever you feel like. I love you. Peace.
I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh.